Hey there, future investors. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and make your money work for you? Today, we're diving into the world of investing with the book Invested by Danielle and Phil Town. If you're tired of the mystery surrounding the stock market and want to understand how to build real wealth, this video is for you. Main body of the summary. In Invested, Danielle Town shares her incredible transformation from someone who was completely terrified of investing to becoming an empowered investor with a game plan. With guidance from her father, renowned investor Phil Town, she uncovers the secrets behind successful investing. The book introduces you to the 4 pillars of investing. 1. Know what you're investing in, learn how to pick businesses, not just stocks. 2. Value over price, understand the difference between what a business is worth and its market price. 3. Margin of safety, minimize risk by buying when the price is right. 4. The long game, think of investing as a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady wins the race. It's not just about numbers. It's about the mindset shift you need to become confident in making investing decisions that lead to long-term wealth. The book shows how to make investing simple, without relying on a financial advisor or getting lost in confusing jargon. Why you should read it. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Invested will show you how to look at your investments differently, making smarter choices that lead to financial freedom. Plus, you'll discover how to overcome your fears, avoid common pitfalls, and avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If you're serious about mastering investing and achieving financial independence, this book is the perfect guide. It doesn't matter if you have zero experience or if you're ready to take your investing skills to the next level, Invested gives you a clear, actionable path forward. Conclusion and call to action. If you found this summary valuable, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more book summaries that will transform the way you think about your money and investments. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you read Invested yet, or are you ready to start your investment journey? We want to hear from you.